first fold ever. Whoa! Galaxy Buds Pro. Pak! Sobrang sakto na talaga sa phone! Remember when I said that I have a special unboxing coming soon? Well, we're finally doing that today! And it's the biggest BTS Budol I've ever gotten so far. Plus, alam niyo naman how much I love functional merch. And ito na ata yung pinaka-functional sa lahat. Tada! I have a Samsung paper bag. And yep, I got the Samsung Z Flip 3 5G. I know, there's a lot of debate about Samsung phones versus iPhones. And this is the first time that I've ever used a Samsung phone. Kaya I'm super excited to try it out and explore all the concept of a flip phone is so nostalgic, parang yung Motorola phones before. But what amazes me the most is the technology of a foldable phone. The screen literally folds in half. Sobrang amazing! Pero syempre, the ultimate deciding factor for me was when Samsung released the photos and the commercial of BTS endorsing this phone. Naalala ko nga, I made the photo of Jin using the Z Flip, my wallpaper, right away. Sabi ko, I will make it my wallpaper and manifest na magkakaroon din ako ng phone na yon. Actually, hanggang ngayon, ito pa din yung wallpaper ko. And my home screen is also Jin, using the Z Flip. Finally, saktong manifest lang, and my very own Z Flip is finally here! Ah, yay! Let's open it now. I got this from the Samsung Experience Store. So it's the store mismo ng Samsung here in Manila. So once you get the phone from the store, they open it in front of you so that you can check the unit itself. So that's why mine is already unsealed and it's already open. I was able to check it and try it out a bit in the store. So here's the box. And as you can see, I got the lavender color. Sobrang pretty niya. And of course, yun yung pinaka BTS na color among all the colors available. So, syempre, that's the one that I picked. And I got the one that's 256 gig. Yes. OMG! Okay, so when you open it, the first thing that you see is the Samsung Care and Samsung Premier Service. Ah, okay. I'll keep those. Baka kailanganin ko sila in the future. And here is the phone! Ah, OMG! It's so nice. Paano kung mabitawan ko to, di ba? Dead. Okay. Sobrang ingat na ingat ako. Oh my gosh. Okay. The purple is so pretty. Oh, and this is the screen at the back. So the Z Flip also has a small screen at the back where you can check your notifications and use the camera just from this tiny screen at the back. Sobrang cool, diba? So you don't have to open the full screen if you just need to do those little tasks. It's so nice! I'm so happy! OMG! Tapos diba nakikita niyo ba yung mga tweets and posts that you can make your parang wallpaper, I guess wallpaper din tawag doon, dito sa labas, sa small screen. Tapos pwede siyang GIFs. So I saw some armies on Twitter. What they do is they pick mga BTS GIFs, like yung mga cute and funny GIFs nila. Tapos yun yung ginagamit nila here dun sa wallpaper. So every time na gagamitin mo siya, makikita mo kaagad sila. Gusto niyo ba ma-experience with me the first fold ever of my new phone? Okay, let's try it. Oh! Whoa! Ang saya! Oh my gosh. And it feels so sturdy. It doesn't feel na parang mababali siya. Sobrang solid yung pagkagawa sa kanya that when you're handling it, it doesn't feel like you're gonna break it anytime. Actually, I've seen videos on YouTube din. Yung mga other reviews and unboxing videos nito. Tapos, talagang sobrang todong flip talaga sila. As in, parang mababali na talaga. I Swiss. As in, ganun talaga. Pero feel ko, hindi naman ako ganun. Siguro gentle talaga ako pag ginamit ko siya, lalo na sa first few months. Pero yung iba talaga, as in, todong flip talaga. Tapos, sobrang okay naman yung phone. It's really sturdy and robust that it's made to withstand even the strongest flips. So, diba, when I got this from the Samsung store, we set it up already, at least the basic settings when you turn on your phone for the very first time. So, when you turn it on, it looks like this. Cool! I haven't really explored it that much, and I'm so excited to try out the camera. Actually, why don't we try it right now? Camera. Here. Tapos, diba sabi dun sa commercial ng BTS, ng Z Flip, when you fold it, the camera goes halfway din. Cool! Para siyang makeup. Yung like blush or foundation or eyeshadow palette. So you can put it on top of the table or wherever you're gonna use it. Tapos mas madali na siyang gamitin. Ang galing! I'm so excited to explore it and try out all the features. Okay, let's go back to the box. So after the phone itself, you get this one. And I think this has the charger cable. Paano ko to open? There! Yeah, it has the charger cable and the quick start guide. That's it. Oh, and this one also, the thing that you use to put your SIM card inside. That's it. So if you're wondering why it's just the cable, so nasan yung charger butt? What do you call it? I just call it the charger butt. The butt of my charger. So since I pre-ordered, one of the freebies for pre-ordering is this one. The fast charging adapter. Pero when you just buy the phone itself, hindi pa kasama yung adapter na ito. Oh, it's called an adapter, not the charger butt. And what's good is this one is the fast charging one. So hopefully, mabilis talaga siya. It says super fast charging. Oh, and it's compatible with Android and iPhone. Nice! Aside from this adapter, if you pre-ordered your Z Flip, the other freebie is this one. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. It's not the new Galaxy Buds, yung kasama dun sa commercial nila. Syempre, free na lang, diba? Ibibigay pa ba nila yung pinakabagong Galaxy Buds? I'm still super happy na may free na earphones. Kasi, I don't think that the AirPods Pro will work sa Samsung Galaxy. I don't know. Pero anyways, the good thing is, they gave this one, the Galaxy Buds Pro, para magamit ko na siya with the Z Flip. And then, they asked me to choose the color also of the Galaxy Buds. And syempre, the one that I chose is the purple one. Para matching sila nung phone, diba? Ooh. There. Oh, it's so cute! I love the purple. It's like a metallic purple. Sobrang pretty. There you go. And it goes so well with the phone. Oh, they look so nice together. Sobrang perfect. I'm so happy. Oh, yes! And lastly, there's one more thing that I bought from the Samsung store. It's the phone case. Kasi sobrang OC ako, lalo na when it's a new phone. Syempre, diba? So, I just wanted to be extra protected. Kaya bumili na ako kagad ng phone case from the Samsung store. Kasi, unlike iPhones or other Samsung phones, the phone case for the Z Flip is not available everywhere. So, the best decision for me was to buy from the Samsung store na. Plus, nandun na rin ako, diba? So, kukuha na lang ng phone case, tas isang bayaran na lang para wala nang bawian. The color that I chose is the purple one, the lavender one, para matching silang lahat. Okay. So, it's made of silicone, and it comes with this ring, para when it's folded like this, you can hold it here. Parang keychain lang siya. Grabe, ganun kaliit yung phone when it's folded. Let's try it. Oh, my sister also got the Samsung Z Flip. Like this. Where do I start? Sa top? I guess. Ayan. Okay, one side is in. Okay, there you go. There! OMG, how cute! It looks so pretty like this. Ah! I'm so obsessed. I love it. I love how everything looks. Ah! So, hindi pa doon nagtatapos yung Samsung Budol ko. Meron pa. Tinolo ko na talaga eh. One of the fun things about Samsung is that they also have their own photo cards. And syempre, lahat tayo marupok, diba? Pagdating sa photo cards. Diba? Ibang level of happiness talaga. Kaya, I was really hoping to get a full set of Samsung photo cards from the Samsung store. Kasi in other countries, when you buy a Samsung phone, lalo na when it's a BTS endorsed Samsung phone, they really give you a pack of photo cards. Pero, when I asked Samsung Philippines when I pre-ordered my phone, hindi daw kasama yung photo cards. Muntik ko na sabihin na, hello, yun lang naman po yung habol ko eh. Hindi talaga yung phone. Yung photo cards lang talaga. So anyway, at first, nilet go ko na siya. Sabi ko, okay, fine. Kung walang photo cards, edi okay lang. Let go ko na. Pero, after a week after that, I saw photos on Twitter. Pinost ng Samsung yung Z Flip photo cards. And it's a different shape. Nung una, naisip ko, bakit hindi siya yung normal size and shape ng PC? It looks like a square shape. Sabi ko, medyo weird siya. Tapos, may official photo na from Samsung kung para saan yung photo card na yon, bakit siya square. Apparently, what you're supposed to do is to put it, wait lang, at the back of your phone. As in, sobrang cool. Kilalang kilala na talaga tayo ng Samsung. They really know their market. Alam nila na yung BTS fans, armies like us, yung photo cards, yung PCs natin, whatever PC that may be, yung automatic instinct natin is to put them at the back of our phones. Para whenever we use our phones, makikita natin kagad yung BTS. Okay, perfect example. Yung current phone ko, my iPhone, my PC. This is actually an unofficial PC. It's Jin's back. It's his sexy back. Sexy back. So, going back to the Samsung Z Flip PC, sobrang cool kasi yung size and shape nung PC mismo, saktong-sakto siya para dito. Dito mo talaga siya ilalagay. Yun yung purpose niya. Sobrang cool. Big brain move yun sa Samsung. Eh di syempre, wala na, dead. I have to get that PC set. Wala na. So, naghanap na ako kagad. And let me tell you, sobrang hirap niya hanapin. I guess it's really not available everywhere kasi medyo rare siya. Kahit bagong launch lang siya, hindi ko siya mahanap on Bunjang and Mercari. Pag nakikita ko, lagi yung nauunahan kasi konti lang talaga yung listings of the Samsung Z Flip PCs. So, fast forward, nakahanap ako ng complete OT7 Samsung Z Flip photo cards sa Mercari. And according to the seller, she hasn't touched it yet. She hasn't opened it yet. She never used it. Kaya it's literally brand new. Sobrang good find yun. Siguro yung seller na yun, binili lang niya talaga yung phone. Tapos hindi naman niya kailangan yung PCs. Pero ako kailangan ko eh. Here you go! Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yan. Wow! Tada! I'm so happy na kinuha ko to. Sobrang sulit. Okay, so see what I mean na curved yung corners dito sa baba, tapos flat siya dito sa taas. So, on the phone, it looks like this. Pak! Sobrang sakto na talaga sa phone! Now June, and then Jade, and then Yoongi, cutie pie, I love his cardigan. And then Hobie in green, Jimin, and then Tae, wow, he looks so good here, and his outfit matches his phone. And then Jungkook. Sobrang gwapo nilang lahat dito. I love it, Samsung. Good job kayo doon. So, I hope you enjoyed my biggest unboxing yet. And if you enjoy K-pop unboxings and K-pop Budol tips, then don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video!